Hello everybody. Today we are going to speak about the newest development technology. Turkey's ANKA III was already one of the most advanced stealth drones in the world. But Tushash just announced something that changes the game entirely. Completely updated production version. Bigger, faster, deadlier, and production has already begun. Today we break down everything you need to know in the latest development about Tushash ANKA III. Please subscribe to the videos and watch our presentation. Before we go to the upgrades, let's establish the baseline. ANKA III is Turkey's first true stealth UCAV unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It's not surveillance drone, it's not Bayraktar TV2. This is a completely different story and different category. Their aircraft measures 7.9 meters in length, wingspan 12.5 meters, and maximum takeoff weight of 6,500 kilograms. It features a tailless flying wing configuration, the same design philosophy used in America B-2 Spirit bomber, optimized specifically for radar evasion. The turbofan power platform can reach altitudes of 40,000 feet, hit a top speed of Mach 0.7, that's 489 miles per hour, and stay airborne for 10 hours. The maiden flight ANKA III it placed December 2023, where it operated autonomously for over an hour before performing automatic landing. Two prototypes are currently flying and testing continues. We are going to see how ANKA III is different. There we have to need to get serious. Tushash General Manager Mehmet Demiroglu just confirmed that production version of ANKA III is not the same aircraft that flew in 2023. It's so much upgrades in it and it's different from the first one. From both prototypes led to a complete design review. Tushash finalized the critical design review and froze the design. Production has already started. Two new prototypes with updated configuration will be produced with serial production proceeding in parallel. We also need to see that Tushash has bring the challenge up and it changed the primary configuration. The features a slightly larger frame with payload capacity jumping from 1,200 kilograms to 1,700 kilograms and increased endurance beyond the original 10-hour figure. That's 42% increase in payload. In military terms, that is enormous. Demiroglu target for the Turkish Air Force was that an order exceeding 50 aircraft in serial production. When it ramps up the model on automotive industry manufacturing, it will bring costs down and speed up delivery. So also we have to see that with speeding up the delivery, speeding up the production, we get a new model which is highly sophisticated and it's also a weapon carrier. ANKA III can carry weapons across multiple stations, 650 kilograms in each of its two internal bays. So when we see in the inner wing pylon about 650 in each and 100 kilograms in the outer wing pylons. The production version adds something the prototypes never had: air-to-air capability. The revised nose is designed to house Murad 100 RASA radar, the same radar integrated in Turkey F-16, in Kizil Elma, Akinci drone, and potentially at the Karad 100 infrared search and track system for passive infrared detection. Air-to-air configuration include internally carried Gökdogan beyond visual range missiles and externally carried Bozdogan missiles. When we hear Demiroglu, what was he stating, the strike is the primary mission, it's not the dogfight. Air-to-air is secondary capabilities, but the fact that it exists at all, it puts ANKA III in complete different class than any drone Turkey has built before, any nation before has built this kind of weapon in using it in most unmanned vehicle. Now the most futuristic part. ANKA III isn't just a strike platform, it's a drone carrier. In April 2025, ANKA III dropped single Super Shimshek drone at 10,130 feet, validating what Tushar calls the OKU concept, the airborne launch of expendable autonomous drones from a carrier UCAV. This is amazing. In August 2026, the double-it ANKA III was filmed carrying two Super Shimshek vehicles simultaneously. It brings the smaller UAVs forward and release them at chosen point and chosen time and give them altitude and speed before they begin their own mission. This is something incredible. The Super Shimshek itself is no prototype. It's roughly 4 meters long. It's capable of Mach 0.85 with 900 kilometers range. It entered Turkish Air Force service in March 2026. So congratulations, Turkey. Congratulations. This is something amazing from a military standpoint. This is the future of Air Force. One stealth drone launching a swarm of autonomous strike vehicles deep inside enemy territory. 1,000 wide territory in any part, in any segment, with artificial intelligence guidance system, and ANKA III started as an impressive concept. So the updated production version is something else entirely. Stealthy, high subsonic UCAV, it carries almost 2 tons of weapons, equipped with AISC radar, detectable for 70 to 100 kilometers, capable of launching its own swarms of autonomous drones mid-flight. So the operational radius, as we said, it's exceeding 1,000 kilometers. In certain configuration, it can be more. Turkish Air Force showed that with ordering 50 units on the table, it will be a dominant partner and dominant force in the Middle East. If you want more content on Turkish defense technology and knowing what's important and what is global geopolitics, subscribe, hit the bell, more is coming. Thank you for watching.
If you love staying updated on global defense news, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new breakdown. Join our growing community of defense enthusiasts and experts. This is Intel Prime, where military insight meets real-world impact. Welcome aboard.